Hello, I'm İlker Yengin. Originally, I am from Istanbul, Turkey. Right now, I'm a graduate assistant at University of Nebraska-Lincoln at Teaching, Learning and Teacher Education. My focus of doctoral research is on educational technology. I would like to show you emerging web technologies in education. In this video, you will learn how to build an e-class in 10 steps. We will use Web 2.0 services to build our e-class. Let's watch the video. Here is our online class example in 10 steps. In order to get a place in internet, you will need a home and a mailbox. Your home will be your e-class, and you need some services. Also, you need some tools, which are widgets, and then you need users. These are your students. Now, your home is your blog. We will use Blogger services in this example. Also, your email box is your email. In this example, we will use Gmail. There are some services you can use in your web class. For example, you can share documents. We will use Google Docs for this example. The other services we will use is for scheduling. We are going to use Google Calendar and Google Maps. Also, we will use some brainstorming services. We are going to use a diagram service. So you can also use some sharing services. You can share images, video, audio, and links. Also, we will add some tools. They are widgets. We will use a communication tool. This is a chat tool. Here, you can see the services we will use in our online class. We will use Blogger for your home, Bubble.us for your diagram services, various of Google services such as Google Docs, Google Maps, Google Calendar, and Gmail, Flickr for your photos, Delicious for your links, Nebo for your chat, YouTube for your videos, Odeo for your audios. Step 1. Choose your secure password. First step is to create a secure password before start to create a web class. Your password should include sentence that you can remember. Also, you need to add complexity by mixing uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. You also need to substitute some special characters. Step 2. Get an email account. In order to be reachable by other users, you need at least an email account. Your email account is your primary communication tool. If you have an email account, you can use it. However, for the sake of this example, I suggest you to get an email account from Google, which is Gmail. I personally use Gmail because I also use other Google services, where using a Gmail account saves time when you need to log into services. We will also use some of the Google services, therefore it's a good idea to have a Gmail account. If you choose to use your existing email account other than Gmail, it's okay. You can still use services of Google. To get a Gmail account, simply go to gmail.com and sign up. Fill the forms to register. After submitting the forms, you're ready to go for other steps. Step 3. Open your blog. Your blog will be also your website. We can simply say that your blog is your home on the web. Your blog is the place where you put all of your contents and ideas to share with your students. Your blog also will be your e-class. Generally, most of the blogs follow a chronological order. You can add various of contents in your blog such as text, pictures, video, or other functional tools. To begin your blog, you should sign for a blog account. Personally, I use Blogger in my teaching life. Step 4. Arrange your schedule. In your e-class, you will probably need to meet with your students in a certain time. Or you may have a mix of teaching methodology while you meet your students in a class or online. So it's a good idea to arrange your meeting schedule and places. We will need a calendar showing your schedule, and we need a map showing your meeting places. Now we are going to create a public calendar for your students. We are going to use Google Calendar. To reach the service, type the following address into your browser's address bar: calendar.google.com. And we also need to arrange the meeting places for your students, so your students can learn your addresses. If you know your home address, then you are ready to go. To reach the map service, type the following address into your browser's address bar: maps.google.com. Step 5. Arrange ideas. Before publishing any content, you can summarize your class outline and your ideas into a chart so your students can easily follow the class. In order to do that, we will add your outline as a content map into your blog. First of all, we will use the following service: bubble.us. Step 6. Arrange your documents. Now we will create documents for your course. We will also use online services to create our documents. For that, we will use Google Docs. With Google Documents, you can easily create, share, and edit documents online. You can create or upload documents, edit documents online simultaneously with your colleagues, keep track of changes to a document. Here is your Google Doc address: docs.google.com. Step 7. Bookmark your resources. Sometimes you will need other resources to give your students. It's a good idea to use the social bookmarking services. When you use a social bookmarking, you will save a lot of time and benefit from the collective intelligence. Personally, I use Delicious. Delicious is a social bookmarking service that allows you to tag, save, manage, and share web pages all in one place. It allows you to bookmark any site on the internet. Share your bookmarks and discover other saved bookmarks. Here's your address: delicious.com. Step 8. Arrange your media files. Pictures. You can also add pictures as embed codes into your blog. To arrange your pictures, you can use Flickr service. Flickr is an online photo management and sharing application. Here's the address: flickr.com. To arrange your videos, you can use YouTube service. If you know what you are looking for, you can type keywords into the search box at the top of every page. Also, you can upload your own videos into YouTube. Audios. You can also add audio files as embed codes into your blog. To arrange your audio, you can use Odeo service, where you can search and explore media channels covering just about any topic or area of interest. Here's the address: odeo.com. If you know what you're looking for, you can type keywords into search box and get your audio. Step 9. Communication. Chat. Now we are going to add a communication tool for your students. We will use Mibomi service. Mibomi lets you chat with anyone who comes to your blog or web page. Visitors show up in your Mibo buddy list, so you can strike up conversation, answer questions, or just keep tabs on guests. Here's the address: mibo.com/mibomi. Final step: protect your works. You may want to protect your work by licensing them. You can benefit from Creative Commons. Creative Commons provides free tools that let authors, scientists, artists, and educators easily mark their creative work with the freedoms they want to carry. You can use Creative Commons to change your copyright terms from all rights reserved to some rights reserved. So we have learned how to build your e-class in 10 steps. In our website, we have also explored e-class and Web 2.0 concepts in detail. Please go to our website to check the class notes and the examples. Thank you.